Looking for a quality sewing machine that won't empty your wallet? You're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 best bargain sewing machines that deliver professional results without the premium price tag. These machines have blown up on Amazon with thousands of 5-star reviews, and we've done the homework so you don't have to. Make sure to check the links in the description box below. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Singer Start 1304, and this little machine is the perfect entry point for absolute beginners or anyone on the tightest budget. You're getting a straightforward, no-nonsense sewing machine that costs less than $100 in most cases. This machine features 6 built-in stitches, including straight stitch, zigzag, and a 4-step buttonhole, which covers all your basic sewing needs. The beauty here is simplicity. There's a numbered diagram printed right on top that guides you through threading, and the bobbin automatically stops winding when it's full. What really stands out is the build quality for the price point. Despite being ultra affordable, Singer didn't skimp on the frame. You're getting a heavy-duty metal interior that keeps everything stable during operation. It weighs just 11.5 pounds, making it incredibly portable for classes or storage. Here's what you should consider though. With only 6 stitches, you're somewhat limited if you want to explore decorative sewing or complex projects. If you plan to expand your skills quickly, you might outgrow this machine within your first year of serious sewing. The value proposition is unbeatable for cautious beginners. You're paying entry-level prices, but getting Singer's 25-year limited warranty and reliable performance. For kids learning to sew, occasional mending projects, or testing whether sewing is your thing before investing more, this is absolutely perfect. At number 4, we've got the Brother XM2701, and this has been Amazon's best-selling beginner sewing machine for years. There's a good reason it holds that crown. You're getting 27 built-in stitches, an automatic needle threader, and Brother's legendary customer support, all for around $129 to $150. The lightweight design, weighing just 12 to 15 pounds, makes this incredibly easy to move from room to room or take to classes. The 27 stitches cover everything from basic utility stitching to decorative work and quilting. The automatic 1-step buttonholer takes the guesswork out of one of sewing's trickiest tasks. What caught my attention was the included instructional DVD and Brother's lifetime free technical support. If you're brand new to sewing, having that safety net is priceless. The jam-resistant drop-in bobbin system works flawlessly, and threading is incredibly beginner-friendly with guides printed right on the machine body. Here's the consideration though. While this machine handles lightweight to medium-weight fabrics beautifully, it can struggle a bit with very thick materials like heavy denim or multiple layers of canvas. If you're planning to sew a lot of heavy-duty projects, you might want something with a stronger motor. The overall package is fantastic for the price point. You get 6 presser feet included, LED work lighting, and free arm capability for sleeves and cuffs. For sewers who value quality construction over flashy features, this delivers big time. Coming in at number 3 is the Genome Arctic Crystal, and this machine proves that Japanese engineering excellence doesn't have to cost a fortune. Priced around $100 to $130, you're getting a full-sized machine with a heavy-duty metal interior frame that feels solid as a rock. Genome designed this specifically for beginners, and it shows in all the right ways. The 15 built-in stitches are carefully chosen as the most versatile and commonly used. The front-loading bobbin system includes a built-in loading guide right where you need it, eliminating confusion during setup. What really stands out is the build quality for the price point. This feels like a machine that costs twice as much. The heavy-duty metal frame reduces vibration during high-speed sewing, giving you cleaner, more consistent stitches. The 4-step buttonhole process is straightforward, and the dual retractable spool pins let you experiment with twin needle techniques when you're ready. Here's what to consider though. The stitch selection is more limited compared to computerized machines. You're using manual dials rather than digital displays. Some people love this simplicity, while others prefer having more automated features. It's a personal preference thing, but worth thinking about. The durability factor makes this a phenomenal investment. Genome machines are known for lasting decades with proper care. You're also getting 4 essential presser feet, adjustable stitch length, and free arm capability. For sewers who value quality construction over flashy features, this delivers big time. At number 2, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 4423, and this beast is in a completely different category. You're getting professional-level power and construction at a consumer-friendly price of around $200 to $220. This machine means business. The headlining feature is that blazing 1,100 stitches per minute speed with a motor that's 60% stronger than standard machines. That extra power translates to effortless sewing through thick denim, canvas, leather, and multiple fabric layers. The heavy-duty metal frame and stainless steel bed plate provide rock-solid stability even at maximum speed. What impressed me during testing was how smoothly it handled challenging materials. The adjustable presser foot pressure lets you dial in the perfect tension for both delicate silks and heavy upholstery fabrics. The 27 built-in stitches include basic, stretch, and decorative options that cover most sewing needs. The automatic one-step buttonholer takes the guesswork out of one of sewing's trickiest tasks. Here's the consideration, though. While this machine is noticeably louder than others on this list because of that powerful motor, if you're sewing late at night in an apartment with thin walls, your neighbors might notice. Also, at higher speeds, it can feel aggressive for delicate detail work. The performance-to-price ratio is incredible. You're getting a machine that competes with models costing $400+, but at half the price. The automatic needle threader, one-step buttonhole, and LED lighting are excellent additions. For sewers tackling home decor, alterations, or heavy garment construction, this is your machine. Taking the number 1 spot is the Brother CS7000X, and this computerized machine delivers premium features at a mid-range price of around $219 to $240. You're getting 70 built-in stitches, an LCD display, and a feature set that rivals machines costing hundreds more. The 70 stitches include utility, decorative, heirloom, and quilting functions, giving you incredible creative freedom. The upgraded automatic needle threader works consistently, which is a huge time saver. The LCD display makes stitch selection intuitive, and you can see exactly what you've chosen before you start sewing. What really sets this apart is the included accessories and workspace. You get 10 presser feet, including a walking foot for quilting, plus a wide extension table that transforms this into a serious quilting machine. The durable metal frame construction keeps everything stable during extended sewing sessions, and the jam-resistant top drop-in bobbin system is brilliant. Here's what to consider, though. With 70 stitches and computerized features, there's a slightly steeper learning curve than simpler machines. If you're someone who gets overwhelmed by options, you might initially feel lost. However, once you learn the system, you'll appreciate having those choices available. The versatility makes this unbeatable value. Whether you're sewing garments, quilting, crafting, or doing home decor projects, this machine handles everything beautifully. The enhanced needle-to-arm space accommodates larger projects easily. Thanks for watching. All 5 machines are linked in the description below with current pricing. Remember to consider your specific needs, fabric types, and skill level when choosing. Happy sewing, and I'll see you in the next video.